remember who you are. This is not Decon.
This right here is so filling. I haven't even started and I'm feeling full already. It's so filling. Wow. And delicious. You should give it a try. This is actually my first time trying this out and it's so good. Even with a frozen avocado, it still tastes good. I wonder what it will taste like when I make it with fresh avocado. This is so good. And it's so juicy and creamy. This is so messy. Done and dusted. I managed to squeeze in everything, guys. It was a real struggle trying to finish that up. I don't know, for some reason it's so filling. And as for the grapes, I'm not going to touch those. I'm so full. I'm going to put that back in the fridge and probably eat it later, or I might not even want to eat it again, but I'm so full right now. So I'm going to finish up with my drink and yeah. Will I be trying it again? Maybe, maybe not. I don't know for now, but it was so good, so delicious. I was eating it, but I was still craving for my, normal bread. But for someone that is trying to lose weight, I think this should be okay. This should be good. Like, it's so filling. That's the surprising part of it. It's so filling. Like, I was struggling to finish that thing on the plate, for real. So I think you guys should give it a try, and who knows, maybe you might like it or even love it. Hey guys, so I want to have some soup, some okra soup, which is what I used to eat that white rice earlier. And thereafter I'm going to sip on my green tea. It's just the soup alone with this bony meat. Can you hear that? This is bone with a little bit of flesh on it. So yeah, I have mostly soup down there, and then this bony meat with some meat, shaki or tripe. Yes, it's just a small bowl of soup, and we shall call it a day, I guess, a night. Yeah, it's currently 6:46 p.m. So this is going to be my last meal for the day. Thank you guys for watching. Ciao. That bowl of soup was so good, but it wasn't filling, so I decided to top up with some tangerines.